Hello kiddos. Today let's learn small letters using only one color, brown color. So, let's start. But before this, please share, subscribe and like my channel.
A for alligator. B for bus. C for caterpillar. D for drum. E for engine. F for frog. G for grass. H for horse. I for inkpot. J for juice. K for kite. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nest. O for ostrich. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tomato. U for unicorn. V for vulture. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yellow. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.